Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make easy cocktails at home step by step. Start by choosing a base spirit like vodka or rum, then pick a complementary mixer and garnish. Use 1 Oz increments for clarity, shake or stir over ice for 10-15 seconds, strain into the glass, and finish with a citrus twist or herb. Taste and tweak until it feels balanced and enjoyable. In this video, I will show how to make easy cocktails at home step by step. Set up a clean station with a shaker, jigger, and strainer. Have 3 basic mixers like soda, tonic, and ginger beer ready. Prep citrus and simple syrup ahead to speed assembly. Measure carefully, add ice last, and give a brisk shake or slow stir depending on texture. Garnish with fresh herbs or citrus peel for aroma. In this video, I will show how to make easy cocktails at home step by step. Quick recommendation: bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker I mentioned. It makes playlists and timers easy while you mix. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like, and check the description for the link and other deals. Thanks for watching. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to make easy cocktails at home step by step. For a highball, pour 2 Oz spirit over ice and top with soda. For a sour, combine 2 Oz spirit, 3/4 Oz citrus, and 1/2 Oz simple syrup, then shake. For a mule, mix 2 Oz spirit with 4 Oz ginger beer and 1/2 Oz lime, stir lightly, and garnish with a lime wheel for brightness.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.